Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear Jamalians, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum and greetings from Dr. Ismail Moideen, Principal, Jamal Muhammad College, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. The soil of Jamal is sacred and blessed one because of the fact that the main objective and vision of the founders of Jamal, Haji Janab Jamal Muhammad Sahib and Janab Khaja Mian Rautar, was to provide higher education with ethics and human values to the society, to the socially backward and downtrodden students. That is why they have selected a phrase from Holy Quran, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, show us the right path, இறைவா எங்களை நேரான பாதையில் நடத்துவாயாக, as the motto of the college. Inauguration of the college is not an incident, is a history. They donated 166 acres of land, started the construction work of main building, Taj Mahal of Jamal, during 1919, completed the work in 1924 and inaugurated the college in 1951 with 12 staff members and 250 students. After 70 years of selfless service of successive members of the management, principals, staff, love and affection extended by alumni, well-wishers and donors throughout the globe, the student strength of the college now is 12,045, including around 4,500 women students, with 94 professors and 297 non-teaching staff members. Now the college is offering 23 UG programs, 20 PG programs and 17 research programs. Not only in quantity, quality also, Jamal is outstanding. UGC recognized our college as college with potential for excellence continuously for 2 terms. NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, accredited with A grade continuously for 3 terms. Department of Science and Technology granted FIST scheme. Department of Biotechnology identified 5 of our departments for Star College scheme. National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF verified the data of 1,500 and odd arts and science college all over India and awarded 54th rank to our college. Under National Skill Qualification Framework, UGC sanctioned 4 Bachelor of Vocational Degree courses to Jamal. Apart from formal education, Jamal is encouraging our students to take part in extension activities like sports, NCC, NSS, Leo, Rotaract, Antidori, ORC, CCC. What else? Almost all the social activities are going on. For the past 1 decade, our NCC and NSS students are taking part in Republic Day parade in New Delhi. By the grace of the Almighty, during the academic year 2012, with the support of Iman Association of Dubai and our alumnus Supersonic Ziauddin, again from Dubai, Civil Service Examination Study Center was established. From 2017 onwards, our Civil Service Examination Study Center is offering UPSC preliminary examination coaching classes for women students from 10:30 am to 12:30 pm and for men students from 2:30 pm to 4:30 pm. I feel proud to state that our Alumni Association blossomed in North America has been brilliantly functioning to see that our students are shaped well to serve the society by developing their personality and also to shine well as top-ranking civil service officials. Our students, endowed with excellent skills and talents, and step into our college campus for studying various arts and science degree programs can become IAS, IPS, IFS and IRS officers. With this target, we identified students with such vision and keen interest to serve the nation. It is with all your support, it is planned to provide them basic training to conduct an entrance test to shortlist 20 men and 10 women students, and inshallah these 30 students will be given an opportunity to stay in our hostel to pursue their dream career. We feel delighted to state that advisors, trainers are appointed to pay special attention on such students to make them significant personalities. We believe that contribution of every member is valuable in this task. It is proposed to create intellectuals for the benefit and healthy growth of our Tamil society. We also hope that our attempts would make our dream scheme come true. We earnestly request our social activists, service-minded personalities throughout the globe to identify students with a special interest in this noble venture to get admission in Jamal Muhammad College, and also please direct them to contact the Civil Services Examination Studies Center functioning here for more information for the illumination of our nation. Dear Jamalians, I request you all to advise our youngsters, especially in Tamil Nadu, to come forward to Jamal Muhammad College. We, the principal, the secretary and correspondent, treasurer and assistant secretary and all the professors here are ready to help the students community to create a new brave world, inshallah, with all your help. Thank you very much.